I bought this pack of steak here. So I know y'all tired of seeing these dang on chicken breasts, but so for these egg rolls, we're gonna go ahead and blend up some peppers and some onions because it's not like a steak and cheese egg roll without one. First and foremost, we're gonna go ahead and rinse the meat. Let's go ahead and ground this beef up and chicken up. And don't worry, we're gonna clean the processor out in between so no cross contamination. Yep, go ahead and raise that bowl. We're doing big things. Let's go ahead and season the meat. We're going to go in with some Brazilian steakhouse, some onion powder, Himalayan sea salt. Oh, don't forget the garlic. And we're going to season this thing up just like we would a good old nice juicy burger. Now, my hands was moving before the video was recording, but that was some chipotle roasted garlic powder. We're going to add some onion powder, some pepper, and a little bit of salt, y'all. We can go ahead and get to the fun part now. We're going to go ahead and cook them up. Go ahead and add your peppers and your onions. Let them cook for about 5 minutes or so before you add your meat. Okay, so the party is really about to begin now. Tonight, you're going to become a multitasker. If you cook both of these at the same time, if you can't do that, then just stick to one meat tonight and do the next one tomorrow. I wanted some more garlicky flavor after I tasted it. And then now we're going to add the cheese. So I thought about mixing these two cheeses, the Mexican blend and the Colby Jack. So I did end up splitting the 2 bags between the 2 pans, and it was good to go. The only thing with making the chicken cheesesteak ones, it did end up looking like scrambled eggs, but it was still bomb. And then go ahead and mix the steak and cheese one up, and we're going to be ready to go ahead and fill them up in the egg roll wrappers. Alright, so here's the fun part, the best part, and the main part. Get you an egg. We're going to run this egg around the edge of the wrappers once you get your filling in. We're going to make sure that filling does not pop out. Look, suck it in, just like how we do, ladies. You know how to do it. And just make sure it's sealed up good once you close it up. We're going to go ahead and fry these egg rolls for about 2 to 3 minutes until they start floating. They're going to turn nice and golden brown. Let me show you one more just in case your mouth is watering. I'm going to make you hungrier. So this one is the beef. If you want to add more cheese, go ahead and add it and then roll it up just like how we did the first one. Don't forget to tuck and roll, y'all. You know how to do it. Go ahead and add it in the grease, and when it starts floating, we're going to take them out. At the end, you're going to have a nice juicy egg roll that you'll love. Dip it in your sauce, and good night. Okay, and which one is that? The chicken or the steak?
This is chicken.
Okay.
To be honest, I like the barbecue one better with the chicken. But the Vidalia, it goes with the steak really good.
Really? Okay. So, which one does y'all like better? Now that y'all done tasted both of them, you know which one is which. You want to go with the chicken or the steak?
Let me taste. I want to go with the steak.
You want to go with the steak?
Because it tasted cheesy.
Okay.
All of them.
So, both, how many for steak?
I have not tasted the chicken yet. I mean, it's
How
kind
you
of
haven't tasted the chicken yet? We did the chicken
I
one
know,
first.
but I haven't tasted the chicken again. I mean, it's kind of 50-50. Depends on what sauce you use.
So, the sauce makes the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sauce makes the difference. It's harder when you put it in the sauce.